Hello everyone and welcome to my art and cooking channel. My name is Cynthia Maynard and today I had a fun surprise. My sister gifted my daughter and me some wonderful, beautiful calligraphy inks that she was cleaning out of her stash. And here is the box that she gave with various brands. There's like a Ferris wheel press. And there's a Ferris wheel press sort of swatch book that was really pretty. I'll do that another time. And diamine, however you say that, inks as well. Some do not have sparkle and some do. And so I grabbed one of my Artizzo, or you could use the Arteza watercolor journals, like the 5.5 by 8.5. Had some baby wipes at the ready and just a little jam jar of water. And I got most of them out. There is one that I couldn't open on my own, so I have carpal tunnel, so I'll have to have somebody else in my family open that for me, as that's usually my case. Like, can't open this, someone comes running. So just kind of swatching them out, and then the second half of the video I'm going ahead and painting a little flower that I ended up making a wonderful, or at least I think it is, I love color, surface pattern design for spoonflower in fabric and wallpaper that is going to be available. So anyway, some beautiful pinks and browns and blues. There was this peacock set that was amazing. These, and that has that shimmer in the bottom there. And I probably can't read my handwriting, but Anna's hummingbird wing, and I guess that's not a peacock, is it? But Anna's hummingbird face. But they were so pretty. If you've never thought of using your calligraphy inks to paint with, please do it. It's pretty, it's amazing. And you get this sort of, it's a dye. This is Blue Jay Wing. It's like this dye, it just really gets in that paper. And sometimes you can have just the neatest finish on that you just can't get from other things. So this was a brand that I hadn't used before, so that was amazing color right there. Who doesn't love that bluey teal color? This one is a Ferris wheel press that has a little shimmer in there, so I was giving it a little shake. Those are always pretty. No, not Ferris wheel. That's not Ferris wheel press. It's something with an H. Oh, somebody leave it below. Anyways, some more shooting star. This is the one that is this the one that I couldn't open? Oh, that was the one. We'll have to come back to the shooting star. I don't know what in the world is wrong with me. I'm just a wimp. Anyways, oh, that color right there. If you like a blue, that elegant peacock eye. So this is the peacock set, and then elegant peacock neck. And then there's a third one. Oh, they're amazing. And look at that bright royal blue, and it complements that sort of deeper blue there. And then this green. So elegant peacock train. Don't you love peacock color? I love peacocks. I love painting peacocks. I love looking at peacocks, at least the guy peacocks. But look at that green. I love like a Kelly green, and that was an amazing green. So I got my little square art journal out here. It's just like a 5x5, 6x6, something like that. And then I just sort of went ahead and started painting, just layering on colors. Of course, like I said, like the way the ink works, it just really seeps into that paper. And so you get, when it dries, this sort of finish that's just, to me, different than a regular watercolor. Of course, it's ink. And so it provides something a little different. And then you can go in with like colored pencils or pens or something to kind of give finer details, or you could use a glass pen and dip it in there, or like your calligraphy pens, you can actually use it for calligraphy pens. Go figure. But I'm always thinking too far out of the box that I forget what the box is. But layering that brown on top of there, and then I thought, oh, I should be putting the colors I'm using off to the side. So a little afterthought there. But after I painted this, I went ahead and took a picture of that flower that's being formed there. And I have a little quick video at the end of the some of the pattern colorway couple colorways that I made with it. take this opportunity to go ahead and advert for myself here. Go ahead and click those links down below if you love supporting real people with real lives and real jobs. Go ahead and do that, please. Click those links. So there's the pattern. Like, share, and subscribe. And then here comes one with a purple background. I love how it turned out, guys. I love it. I love it. And thank you to my sister for providing the inks. I guess this video was sponsored by the sister. All right, thanks guys so much. I hope you have a blessed day. I hope you get in there in your art supplies and create stuff. It's good for your brain, good for your heart, good for your peace of mind. Have a great day.